Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce energy bills with EnergyHub easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the EnergyHub app on your device. Log into your account or create a new one if you haven't done so already. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Here, you can view your current energy usage. Select the Settings tab located in the menu. In the settings, look for Energy Saving Tips. Tap on it to access personalized recommendations. Review the suggestions provided based on your home's energy profile. Next, return to the main dashboard. Locate the Devices option in the menu. Select it to see all your connected devices. Identify any energy-hungry devices. Consider setting schedules for these devices to optimize usage. For example, program your thermostat to adjust temperatures during off-peak hours. Next, go back to the dashboard. Look for the Energy Insights section. This area shows trends in your energy consumption. Track these trends over days and weeks. Identify patterns where you can cut back on usage. Once you identify areas for improvement, head to the Alerts section. Set alerts for when energy usage exceeds a certain threshold. This helps you stay informed and make adjustments in real time. Now, consider utilizing the integration features. Connect with compatible smart home devices. This allows for automated energy-saving behaviors. For example, link your smart lights to turn off when you leave home. This report provides insights into your savings. Use the information to adjust your energy habits for further reductions. By following these steps, you can effectively lower your energy bills with EnergyHub. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.